Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video from La WEBA. Today I bring you something completely different, a smartwatch that many of you have been asking about, and that it is not easy to find, at least in my country. This is D8 smartwatch. And yes, I imported from another country. So today we are going to do a full unboxing and an honest review to see if it is actually worth it or not. Before we begin, let me quickly explain why this smartwatch caught my attention. First, the design. Second, the features it promises. And third, the most important thing, it has Earbuds built inside the watch. Yes, inside the watch. So that alone makes it very unique and interesting. So without anything else to say, we are La WEBA and let us begin with this video. So let's start the unboxing first. Now let us check the accessories. Okay, so the first thing we see in the manual, it explains how to install the app, set up the watch, and includes important instructions. It comes in multiple languages, included in Spanish, English, and all of that, so that is a good point. There is also a second manual, most likely for additional languages. One interesting detail is that this watch can also be used as a keychain. Yes, you can remove the straps and carry it as a portable accessory. It also includes a pin charging cable. It is not very long, but it is functional, I will say. The watch comes protected in foam, which is great for transportation. As for the material, it feels flexible but durable, with a good protection thanks to the silicone. In hand, it feels solid, modern, and well built for its price. Now, let us talk about the most important feature, the Earbuds. When you open the watch, it vibrates and automatically activates the Earbuds. Removing them, it is very easy, and putting them back, it's just as simple. They feel comfortable in the air, and the sound quality, honestly, it is very good. I would say super decent. It does not disappoint, I would say. They also charge directly inside the watch, which is very convenient. This watch includes many useful features: social media notifications, calls, activity tracking, heart rate monitoring, and a lot of options of sports modes such as running, cycling, yoga, gym, basketball, soccer, and more. You can also control music, change watch interfaces, use a stopwatch and timer, take photos by shaking your wrist, and something super interesting is that it includes an NFC payments. Although I have not personally tasted, overall this is very complete smartwatch. It feels well built and offers useful features. It is not ultra premium smartwatch, but it is definitely stands out. And the built-in earbuds add a very high value. It is designed for people who do sports, want to track their performance, and also listen to music. I also consider it as a unisex device. And that's it for today's video. This is the unboxing and review of the D8 smartwatch. Let me know in the comments, do you like this smartwatch? Would you buy it? Which color would you choose? And most importantly, would you import it? So without further ado, do not forget to like, leave a comment, and share this video. That helps us a lot to reach more people. Remember, we are La WEBA, and thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.